What's up, YouTubers? It's Staff Sergeant Cashman, just dropping in some more information on the status of my 3.7 liter Ford Mustang. Put some AMR parts on, did some interior removing, added some other little stickers and stuff. Here's my Combat Veteran Edition. Yeah, Turbo Smart. Got the Precision Turbo going in, fuel injector clinic, fuel injectors going in, melee battery. Alright, well, here's what I did so far. Gutted everything out of there. So there's nothing inside the trunk. And I took that off too. Lighten up on weight as much as possible. Took out the back cover over the speakers and all that stuff. Kind of leaving it. It's a street car, so whatever. And then here we go. Let's see what I did. Oh, what is this? That looks like a steel braided fuel line to me, baby. Sponsored through Auto Mafia Racing. Goes into the other side over here from the tank. Oh, new cap for the return line from the turbo to dump the oil back into the engine. Also did the dual vent to air catch can. Works pretty good. What else did I do over here? Oh, I hooked up the vacuum lines. I did the check valve where you gotta block it off and all this other good stuff under there. You can see it, but the check valve right there is blocked off. And I took another line from here, went around the back of the motor. To the back of the motor. And came back to here. So, then I added off this vacuum line. This is from my boost reference. There's my boost gauge. I could have got electronic one, but I'm kind of old school. I like mechanical stuff, so to me, it's better to have something mechanical than electric. Electric stuff goes out sometimes. This is just simple, easy. I know what the pounds of boost, the max I can go, and what I can't. And then this part is going to the blow-off valve, which this whole intake, I blocked these two off also, but for now. But this whole intake and everything, that's leaving out of here because the charge pipe is going to go from here all the way into a hole that's covered by the intake, and then it's going to come up through the fender well. And there's a big hole behind here. There's a big old hole back there. So the charge pipe will just come straight to the intake. Yeah, getting there, doing stuff. What else do we do? Oh, I changed the rear tires, so now I got some beefy tires. What did I get? Nitto 555 R2s. Pretty meaty tire. Upgraded to a 275. And what else? So I got a nice 275 on there, so I can grab some road. Definitely hooks better. They're pretty good tires. So, yeah, Nitto 555s. NT 555 R2. Good tires. Changed the brakes. Just did the brake pads because these brakes were shot. They were shot. No good. No good at all. So, I did this side too as well. If you can see up in there. Let's see. So, there's no brake pads in there. Everything looks copacetic. I'm going to change the front tires. just left on the factory ones because I don't care right now, for now, until I get the turbo on. Uh, I still have to put on the line lock. And it says right here, it'll tell you rear left, front right, front left, rear right. So I'll have to redo these lines to put in the line lock. But yeah, comes out pretty good. Yeah, give it a cold start. Huh? Oh, I got the hood open. That's why. I don't know your remote started like that. Hold on. Just go in here. Yeah, now the brake pedal is much better. That's it. Right there, it holds. Gotta do the front brakes and the front tires next. Also, I learned this other cool feature. Now, when you do traction off, it says traction control off. That just your car is still in the car will still be in limited slip, so only one tire or the other tire will grab. But I found another cool feature that if you go like this, if you turn it off and then hold the traction button and watch what pops up. Advanced track off. Now you got positive rear tires spinning. You can do donuts, you can do slides, you can do burnouts, you can do whatever, 360s, all kinds of crazy stuff. Because once them tires start kicking, they just kick out to whichever way you're going to go. But yeah, the advanced track off is the way to go if you're going to be drag racing or something like that. But normally I just keep it on, the traction off, limited slip. This way, in case I'm going around turns or something like that, and I want to slide around a turn, it's fun to do, once in a while. And yeah, but otherwise, yeah, the car is running good. Yeah. There we go. Let's go back up. There you go. Sounds pretty good. That's no turbo, nothing. Just stock. So, still got to do some exhaust work. Bolt the turbo up. I already put it together, so everything is good. Just did some work to it for now. Still keeping it clean. Some stickers on 1320 video, chemical guys, USA, America. That's how we like to do. And that's I put the eagle on there. The chemical guys. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it pretty much the way it looks now, and that's it. I'm not gonna make it anything crazy or anything like that right now. But yeah, that's it. Took off the underneath black mat too. They had this all covered. They had this horse all covered up. Couldn't even see it until I pulled the whole thing off. Thank God for that trim tool. It works. All right, for now. Well, I'm also gonna change this out to a VMP one because this tank is ugly. Who the hell used to look at that? And yeah, more to come. But that's what I've done so far. Just ran some hoses to the catch can, did a fuel line, got all the boosted lines ready to go. Off of here is going to go to the wastegate, and this is going to the blow off valve. And then I'll just control the boost with the manual boost controller. All right, y'all. I guess talk to you soon. As I'm keep going, I'll keep posting more stuff. Peace out.